Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs. Foot Locker Trinoma is now open. You can find it on the second floor of the mall's south wing, by the garden restaurant side. Don't worry about not being able to spot it, as there's no missing the expansive black and white storefront. Heck, they were practically called in by the colorful neon lights you can spot from outside, and, of course, the rows and rows of shoes on the walls. Upon entering, you'll be greeted by shoe-filled walls on each side, with apparel displayed in the middle. On the left will be all kinds of sneakers for men: New Balance, Adidas, Nike, Puma, Converse, Vans, and more. There's also a fitting room on this side. On the other side, you'll spot shoes for women from the same brands. We even spotted some from Hoka. At the top of our list were Adidas Specials and New Balance, but whether you're into more classic styles or funkier new ones, you're bound to find the one that you want. And while there's ample seating right by the shoes, there's also a special sitting area that looks straight out of a design magazine, perfect for trying on shoe after shoe after shoe. Down the middle of the store is a display full of cool graphic tees and highlighted shoes. There are displays, too, for athlete and more highlighting different brands. One could walk out with a whole new outfit, whether or not you actually plan on exercising in it. All around, you'll find stands for slides and sandals, think Crocs, Adidas, and more. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Kick series. make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Saying I subscribe, and we will try our best to reply to you. Near the sitting area is a wall full of kicks for kids. We spotted Nike, Adidas, New Balance, and a whole lot. Heck, if you wanted to match with your kiddies, you could. Keep on walking towards the back of the store and you'll be greeted by a sunlit space. The store reaches out onto a cool area chock full of exclusives, highlights, and brand spanking new drops. There's even a space called Hot Releases, which is, you guessed it, dedicated to the buzziest drops. There isn't always one, but expect a line in the shop when there is. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.